Hello, my Shreem Brzee family. I am so excited to let you know that I have the honor of hosting these new one-on-one Manifest with Fire coaching program. I'm so excited about this. Dr. Pillai has given an immense blessing to be able to use the fire lab, to have your dreams come alive. And what we'll be doing is calling upon Lakshmi, doing a meditation, honing in on what it is you want to manifest and create, doing some coaching around it, and having an experience together. So how the program will look is, first we'll talk about what it is you want to create. What are your goals? What do you want, right? What do you want to create? Next, we'll do a meditation to really still the mind and get into a divine state. Call upon Lakshmi and the other divine beings to facilitate this magical experience. Next, we'll move into the fire lab itself. Here's where we use fire and offerings, Agni, the god of light and heat, to bring our prayers more deeply into the heavens, into the gods, so that we can feel Shreem Brzee even more alive in our life. And during that session, it'll be like an intercession. It'll be divine intervention in ways that Shreem Brzee Lakshmi can take hold of your life, take hold and create on your behalf. She can do it. We have trouble manifesting, but the more we're aligned with her, the more we're tuning in to her vibration with Shreem Brzee, the faster we get to manifest, the faster we connect with her. So as I said, I'm honored to be hosting these fire labs. So I hope that you'll join me. There's different packages that you can pick from. And if you have any questions, let us know. In the meantime, I hope that you'll take advantage of this to close out your year and move powerfully into the new year with Shreem Brzee. Namaste.
Brzee.